Forbes ranks event planning as one of the top 5 most stressful jobs, and the main contributor, vendor coordination. A simple email from the caterer to shift the delivery window by 30 minutes sets off the whole chain. Venue needs to know timeline moves. Let me present to you Backchannel. One assistant, one thread, zero chasing. This is Anaira's workspace. Anaira is an event planning organization that is currently planning a wedding. All the vendor details for this is present in this channel. Now let's check how Backchannel helps us coordinate. Confirm florist can deliver by 2 p.m. on 15th August. Once that's confirmed, loop in Marco at the venue. We now send this audio to the Backchannel agent. We have Bolt for Python running in the socket mode. It fetches the audio file, generates a transcript, pulls the florist contact and the venue load in window from the event channel over Slack MCP. It then drafts an email using Claude. The vendor can now check the draft and approve and send it. Let's check if the vendor received the email. But what happens if the vendor responds a different timeline, 3 p.m. instead of 2 p.m.? In a normal week, this email would be in the inbox for a whole day, and then someone would have to cross check all the details of the event and reach out to the venue. But Backchannel has already noticed it, cross referenced it, and flagged it as a conflict that the venue load is from 1 to 2 p.m. Now the planner responds with 3 p.m. is fine. Let's loop in Marco from the venue about the new timeline. Now a new email draft is formed. If that looks great, we send it. The venue vendor has now received an email with the details of possible conflict with the load in time. Vendor gives a positive response. The classification of this conversation changes from conflict to confirmed, and this closes the loop. But wait, there is more. How will your team know about any of this? Every decision is posted back in your event channel so you don't manage a thread.